How to change phone number in OneXBet account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change your phone number in your OneXBet account, you need to go to your account settings. You can see this menu option over here, tap on it. Now in the top left corner, you can see your profile icon, tap on it. Once you're on your profile page, you can see this phone number option over here. First of all, you need to link your phone number. That's why you're seeing the link option over here. If you have already linked your phone number before, you will see the option to change. So you can simply tap on this change option and you can follow along the process to change your phone number. You can enter the phone number that you want to change it to. And there you go. That's how you can easily change your phone number in your OneXBet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.